Wattam, Wattam, DJMax Respect, DJMax Respect, One Piece World Seeker, NieR Automata, NieR Automata, Royale, Royale, Far Cry New Dawn, Far Cry New Dawn, Paladins, Paladins, Jump Force, Jump Force, The Elder Scrolls Online, The Elder Scrolls Online, Anthem, Anthem, Ace Combat 7 Skies Unknown, Kingdom Hearts Roman 3, Kingdom Hearts Roman 3, Trials Rising, Trials Rising, The Sims 4, The Sims 4, Apex Legends, Apex Legends, Far Cry 5, Far Cry 5, Human Fall Flat, Human Fall Flat, Crash Bandicoot and Sane Trilogy, Crash Bandicoot and Sane Trilogy, Fortnite, Fortnite, Overwatch, Overwatch, Rocket League, Rocket League, Minecraft, Minecraft, Spider-Man, Spider-Man.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.